Oh, that's good.
C'est bon ça?
Very good. This one's really good.
Yeah.
C'est chaud. Stay tuned. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cook Moroccan food with a local.
Here in Essaouira.
Hi, we're Keith and Deb, and at the moment we're traveling through Morocco. We started in Marrakesh, exploring the square, the busy streets, and drinking lots of juice. In our last video, we made it to Essaouira, which we learned is a beautiful coastal town with a great beach and so much more.
Subscribe to follow along. Our Airbnb host recommended we go through Fatima and do a cooking lesson with her.
Now, she doesn't really want to be filmed, which is totally understandable, so you'll see her hands, but you won't see her face. But we'll make sure to keep you updated, and right now, also Emily and Kate are going to be a part of it too.
Of course, and we're off to the market.
We were not thinking, and we always bring our grocery bags to buy groceries, and we didn't, so we're going to have to use plastic. I'm sorry. Just bought our local groceries at the
That's a lot of veggies.
Stay tuned!
So in this little bag, we got our spices. We got turmeric, ginger, and cumin. And in this big bag of veggies
like
for our
heavy.
veggie tagine.
So excited!
Let's start cooking.
Also, in case you're curious, shopping at the local market, all of this vegetables, olive oil, spices, and bread was under exactly $6 USD. Alice, what are you doing right now?
Peeling some carrots with a knife. Never done it before.
Nicely done.
Super fun.
Thank you.
I'm taking peas apart, make sure I don't put the butts in the wrong bowl.
I don't know if we mentioned, we're going to be cooking a veggie tagine so that Emily can eat it with us. And it's pretty cool. We have this table and we're all just sitting around it cutting up all of our veggies. So it's pretty great. And then we'll learn what kind of spices need to go in it. It's going to be perfect.
Cut up some potatoes, carrots, and I think zucchini.
This here is the tagine. She's just cleaning it off so it'll be nice and ready to go to put all of our vegetables in. And then we cook it. We also have this sheet of metal that goes over top of the stove we've been cooking on, which we didn't even know about. So it's another thing we learned. Because our first night here, Keith was like, let's try and make a tagine. And I was like, we should probably learn first.
He would have fallen over for sure.
Fatima added lots of olive oil, added the onions, then added a tablespoon of turmeric, cumin, ginger, and pepper. We want to make sure we remember this recipe, so we're writing everything down so we can make it again and maybe share it with you guys. Just peeled the cucumber for the salad.
Nice.
We are learning this takes a very long time and it's amazing.
But you love cutting vegetables, though.
Oh my gosh, I do. I really
It's
do.
like your favorite thing to do.
I do really.
Like, you're not one of
Like
my
if I
friends like
wasn't
me.
traveling, I'd probably just chop vegetables all the time.
We next added the carrots and cooked green beans on top of the cooking onions, along with fresh coriander and parsley.
Mincing some garlic / grating it. Disgusting.
Ooh, right in there. We next placed the potatoes that were soaking in the cold water on top, then added the zucchinis. And we're also gonna make a separate chicken dish, just a little bit of chicken for me, Kate, and Keith. But the veggie tagine will be our main food. But we're gonna learn how to make a cool Moroccan chicken too. For the chicken, we're actually making it in a pot, which is really cool because we don't have a second tagine, which you can also do. So we just took the chicken and then put ginger, turmeric, salt and pepper on it with olive oil and then put it on the stove.
For the salad, we cut up cucumbers, tomato, and lettuce and made homemade dressing, adding lime juice, olive oil, cumin, salt, and pepper. Then mix it all together. So as you can see, it's important to baste. So you take that juice and you pour it all over that tagine, and you put that lid back on. Yesterday, we got a bunch of these fine local Moroccan desserts. I spent the last 2 minutes trying to learn the names, and I don't think I have them at all.
Ça s'appelle brewat.
Brewat. Kamusa. These are baklavas. These are cornes de gazelle. This is almond paste inside, similar to this one, which is called kamusa. And over here, these are samosas, but they're sweet, so you can make them with brewat, with shrimp or fish. But these ones have probably almond paste and amlou, right? Amlou? Yeah, almond and miel, c'est ça?
Yeah.
And this is another one too. This is the cacao. Yeah, so this would be peanuts, I think. Peanut. Hey, look at this. We're gonna do a little taste test before dinner.
A little
Backwards
backwards.
dinner.
So I can eat this. I was told I just have to take off the top part. So Keith will have my top part if I can do this.
Because the rest is gluten free.
It might be harder than I thought. The other guy
Get
just
a
took
knife.
them off.
Get a
but
knife.
I should get
Don't
it.
ruin it.
I was able to take it off, so I just have the middle part. And you can see I took a bite because I'm impatient. Sorry. So good.
What do you taste? I taste peanut,
Honey,
honey.
almond. I do taste almond as well. It's really good.
The cornes de gazelle?
Sure.
Those ones.
This one?
So this is a very popular Moroccan dessert, the cornes de gazelle. I do like this sort of thing. I love that. I like how simple it is and sweet.
Look,
You've got that paste. I really like that. Wow. Here's some drama for you. So the gas ran out, and so we have to wait for the guy to come replace the tank. But we're just gonna check and see if the food's ready, because we're not sure. It's just about ready.
Just about ready, but then we'll get more gas.
So
and
let's
if it's not
check.
ready, how's it going? It's good. It's already been an hour, so we are going to be able to eat soon. Hooray!
Do we eat here, or do we eat on the roof, girls?
What's your preference?
Roof.
Roof?
Alright.
Fancy meal on the roof.
Fancy meal on the roof. That means we gotta carry stuff up. Let's do it. So I brought up the first round of food. It was all great. Brought up the second round of food, and it started raining. So we're gonna have to eat it.
Slowly right here. But this is a beautiful space.
Yes. It's so beautiful.
Ça sent bon. It smells so good from here.
A
What do we
beautiful
have?
salad, tomato cucumber salad, some lovely chicken that could be chicken tagine, but just the chicken, and then a veggie giant tagine. This is all vegetables. I'm in heaven.
Gas tank's being changed. That was pretty quick. It's our tagine. Definitely need a fork and a spoon. Oh, you're right, huh? It's hot. She was saying she can't go to Marrakesh and eat tagine in that heat, which we were doing.
We were
You
sweating so much.
eat steamy tagine from Marrakesh? Oh, perfect temperature.
Delicious.
You guys stopped?
You can't even, it looks like we didn't make a dent, but we ate so much. It was so good.
And now we're gonna make some tea. Let's see if yesterday's tea was traditionally accurate. A pretty obvious trick right there she does. She uses hot water to make the tea grow to a certain size so it doesn't come out of the spout when you rinse it. Because yesterday I had to use a spoon. I was using a spoon so I wouldn't lose my tea when I was rinsing it. Merci, santé.
I'm so full. I learned so much tonight. It was a lovely cooking class. But we have one more thing we need to do before this video will be over.
Oh.
And it's watch the sunset. Tea to the sunset. Wow. Look at this beautifulness. Couldn't ask for a better evening. Tea and a sunset.
Well, we learned how to make tagine, a vegetable tagine, and chicken tagine, and
a
tea.
lovely salad and tea.
What a great time we had.
What a great afternoon.
With a local Moroccan, a very kind woman too. So thank you very much, Fatima, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, hopefully you learned how to cook too. See you in our next video.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching.
You ate it.
It's so good, you have to take it back.
That's so funny. This is beautiful.
Very nice.
Whoa.
Whoa, don't fall! We're standing on a ledge.
Standing on a ledge.
But don't worry, you're being safe.
You're so cute. You got so many freckles.
That was such a beautiful sunset.
Oh, behind clouds.
No, that's the point. It's just really fast. No.
Caitlin Dorothy.